Prayer is not all you need. Duh. The idea that all I need is prayer to succeed is not entirely accurate. Even though you need to pray for God's favor, you also need the help of men to execute your plan. May I submit to you that the key to your next level is in somebody's hands. The key to your next level is not in heaven, and it's not with angels, it's with somebody. You may seek supernatural guidance before embarking on any project or mission, but productivity honors human efforts. The help of men and women would be needed in the process of achieving your vision. Life will become challenging if you do not appreciate the relevance of people in your pursuit, because life does not operate in isolation or in a vacuum. Despite how deep people may have hurt you or have disappointed you, at some point, you need to show kindness to establish the possibility of loyalty and the right help you need from people. There are some successful people, but they don't trust anybody. They won't relate to anybody, and they will stay that way and transit beyond prematurely. They think being gifted, being skillful, being brilliant, and being successful is all that they need. God never made any one of us to be an island to themselves. We are interdependent. You need me, and I need you, and everybody needs somebody in your lifetime. You are going to need somebody one way or the other. Life doesn't care how gifted you are and how strong you are. You will need someone's help in times of weakness and challenges. There will come a time in your life when the thing you trust in the most and what you lean on the most fails, whether it's brilliance, skill, success, influence, or a gifting of money or wealth. There will come a day and a time in your life when it fails, and you will see your need for another. There are natural, unquestionable laws of life that, when consistently defied, position a person as a colossal failure, irrespective of who prayed for or anointed you. These laws can never be substituted for religious activities or spiritual jargon. After you have established a meaningful relationship with God, it is necessary to search for other factors in your area of life. Endeavor if victory or success is your expectation, because God does not work with irresponsibility.